Hey everyone, welcome back to IQ Power Tools. Today we're diving into a game-changing tool for all the masons and contractors out there. We're talking about the iQMS362i, the 16.5-inch waterless masonry saw from IQ Power Tools. Let's jump right in and see what makes this saw stand out from the rest. The iQMS362i is designed for professional masons who demand precision, efficiency, safer, and a cleaner workspace. Here's why this saw is a must-have for your toolkit. First up, let's talk about its powerful 120-volt motor. This beast delivers the performance you need to cut through a variety of materials like brick, stone, and concrete. With a blade speed of 2,800 RPM, you're looking at some serious cutting power. The iQMS362i features a 16.5-inch Q-drive blade, engineered for high speed and smooth cuts. Whether you're making miter cuts, bevels, or straight cuts, this saw ensures precision every time. One of the standout features of this saw is its integrated dust control system. It's equipped with a high-powered vacuum and a 3-stage filtration system that captures fine particles and debris, keeping your work area cleaner and safer. Plus, with its easy-to-empty dust collection tray, disposal of the collected debris is a breeze. This means less downtime and more productivity on the job site. Another great feature is the portability of the iQMS362i. Despite its powerful performance, it's surprisingly easy to transport. The saw comes with built-in wheels and handles, making it simple to move around your workspace or from one job site to another. And let's not forget about the versatility. The iQMS362i offers a cutting depth of up to 5.5 inches, allowing you to handle a wide range of cutting tasks. Plus, with its quick setup and breakdown, you'll be up and running in no time. So there you have it, folks. The iQMS362i waterless masonry saw is a powerhouse tool that delivers precision, efficiency, and a cleaner work environment. If you're serious about masonry, this saw is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool tips, or visit us at iqpowertools.com. Until next time, keep building and stay safe. Catch you in the next video.